First of all, draw a circular shape, decrease the thickness and increase the size. Make sure no outline and change the color. After that, draw a circle holding the Ctrl Shift and Alt key on your keyboard at a time. No outline, change the color as well. Take a copy, change the color into white and decrease the size for this circle. Holding the Shift key on your keyboard, select these two circles and align perfectly. Ctrl G to group. Take a copy, holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard. After that, draw another circle, holding the Ctrl, Alt and Shift key on your keyboard at a time. No fill and outline color white. Select these two circles, these two big circles and align perfectly. Ctrl G to group. Select these two circles, right click on your mouse and select send to back. Okay. For that, select these circles, right click, format shape, shadow, play with this value. Take a copy, holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard. After that, select these three shapes, holding the Shift key on your keyboard and Ctrl G to group. Take an overall copy, holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Decrease the size for this circle. Change the color. Okay. Also for this small circle, also for this one, like this. After that, increase the size for this circle just a little bit and rotate it like this. Okay. Ctrl C. I am taking the text from here. Align these two circles. Perfectly. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now we can apply our animation. To apply our animation, first of all, select the particular shape and under this animation option, click here and select spin like this. You can play with this animation value right here. Choose with previous and duration around 2.5. After that, go to animation pane, select here, right click, effect option and increase the bounce int around 1.5. click OK like this. Do the same thing for these circles. Spin with previous, duration 2.5 and effect option, bouncing int 1.5. click OK like this. So how it look like our animation right now, like this. But here you can see this, the rotation direction is same side for every single one. I want it rotation just for opposite side. So to do this, first of all select the particular circle and go to this option, effect option, and choose counterclockwise, just like this. So right now how it look like, just like this. This is perfect. And after that I'm going to apply our zoom effect for this text. So to apply our zoom effect, click here under this animation option, select zoom like this with previous, duration 0.75. So at the end of our animation, how it look like. Wow, you can apply just like this animation for any kind of shape. Thank you so much all of you guys. See you soon with my next exciting animation tutorials coming soon. Till then, keep practicing, and I recommend you guys to subscribe my channel and to hit the bell button immediately so that you can get the notification of my next exciting animation tutorials. Till then, have a relax. Take care.